In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background from an image using Figma, the versatile and collaborative design tool. Whether you're a designer working on a complex project or someone just dabbling in design, knowing how to efficiently remove image backgrounds can be incredibly useful. So let's dive into this quick and effective method. First, open your browser and head over to Figma's official website at figma.com. If you already have an account, proceed to log in by clicking the Login button. This will take you into your Figma workspace where you have access to all your design files and tools. In case you haven't signed up yet, I highly recommend doing so, as Figma offers a broad range of functionalities that makes design collaboration seamless and efficient across different platforms. Once you are logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma home screen. This is where you can access your recent projects and start new ones. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as accessing your files efficiently will speed up your workflow. Now let's move over to the Design tab. This is the core section where all the magic happens. Here you can create new design files or open existing ones that require editing. Next, click on Action, and here's where it gets interesting. You're going to search for a tool called Background Remover. Figma has a vibrant community that creates helpful plugins and features, and Background Remover is one of them. Simply type Background Remover into the search bar, and you'll see it pop up as one of the results. Now go ahead and click on Background Remover. What this does is integrate the tool into your Figma project, allowing you to easily remove backgrounds from images directly within your design file. It's a brilliantly straightforward process that eliminates the need for switching between multiple software applications. Remember, having a clean and simple image without a distracting background can dramatically enhance the look of your project. It helps to focus the viewer's attention on the essential elements of your design. Take advantage of the background remover's capabilities by experimenting with different images and see how it enhances your design work. We've reached the end of this quick tutorial. Using Figma to remove backgrounds from images is a simple process that, once familiar, can save you lots of time and effort. I hope this guide has been helpful in sharpening your design skills even further. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on using Figma and other design tools.